May 27th, birthday, yard walk. And I don't even know where to start. Since the last yard walk, April 23rd or 25th, I put out the fireworks, turf beard, 2907, filler 3 periller, no filler. Every pound in the bag contains nitrogen, more potassium in the bag than competitive blends that claim 11s, 12s, 15s, up to 19s fertilizer on my yard. I did 1 pound of nitrogen. So, and the turf grass has responded fantastically, fantamoniously. And we've had basically 1 rain event since then. 2 weeks after I put it out, I don't know the date exactly, we had my rain gauge tipped over, so I saw 1.2 inches. So anywhere from 1.2 to up to 2 inches of rain. And that's it. So other than that, I've been hand watering, using my little rainbird heads to get me through. So let's jolt around here to the side where I always start, and let's friggin' start this bad boy. Yard walk. So yeah, Roundup spray, and we'll look at a spot where I'm pretty sure I smoked some of my new plants. But look at that. Later on today, I'm sure I'll show the drought stress signs, but right now everything looks good. So sprayed Roundup around here too to clean up the edges, and I am pretty sure that my new azaleas got a little overspray or drift. This one wants to kick a flower out, but other than that, that's how that looks. So this was the area that got super scalped down, and what a good job filling in. A couple of little areas right there that are just finishing off. So maybe I'll go through and give them another little shot, granular. I mean, all of this is pretty filled in. My weak area over here, that my always weak area, you know, where you see a pit, you got Bermuda, and then that beauty. Just gonna pull it. Well, it'll come back now. So hose is strewn out. I'm hand watering, getting things going. Seed heads. This is a dry area, and I don't know, you almost can't put enough water on it. Stump, when the sun is out, you can still see the discoloration. It hasn't completely caught up with the rest of the yard. Started to do some with my new Ego hedge trimmer, and go through there and clean all that stuff up and get it looking presentable. But all of this is pretty damn presentable. not really a whole lot to talk about because the herbicides that I sprayed earlier, other than, I mean, I'm 99% weed free and clean. The grass is, if it ever rained, I would probably be mowing every 3 or 4 days if it ever rained. So maybe there's a blessing that it hasn't, but I'd love some rain. I'm kind of tired of chasing these dry spots. So let me bitch about having to mow too often. But that's it. Pretty damn good. So that's my plan. Another granular shot, and then plant health sprays. I guess I'll call them plant health sprays moving forward. Adios.